What? Am I recording? Yes. So, hello, guys. I haven't recorded in a little bit, and I'm not with Desiree because she wouldn't even answer the phone today. So, we're playing the game called Don't Press the Button right now. Somebody pressed the button, and Tornado is here, so I guess be careful. Okay, let's press the button again. The point is, you have to survive. Oh! Oh! So, guys, it's really late. I don't really record during this time, so yeah, it seems like we're running really fast. So somebody pressed the button. Now I'm glitching. Oh god, I'm glitching a lot. Oh god. Everybody froze. Okay, what the heck? Somebody press the button? I'll press the button. There we go. Oh no. Okay, somebody's a seeker. That's amazing. I might get jump scared, by the way, because oh, I know this. Go the other way. Where is the seeker? Should I hide? This is scary. Why is this dude following me? Okay, he could follow me. I don't care. I'm scared. Okay, that's a dead end. That's a dead end. We're in a maze. I hate mazes so much. They're just like so confusing. I'm so confused. Okay, we only have like 14 seconds left. So it's okay. No, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, somebody press the button. No, I hate this one. I hate this. I died. Oh, it's doing so good. That is disappointing. That is disappointing. Yeah, well, but we keep jumping like we're down there. Just keep jumping. Okay. Okay, this is getting boring, but let's just keep playing because maybe some of you are probably like wondering what's gonna happen next. What? Oh, it's bombs! Oh! 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 Well, I died. Oh, that scared me. Please don't land on me again. Uh-oh. It's a bomb. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm running. Ah! Who pressed the button? I didn't see.
I like singing.
What?
I like dancing.
I like trains.
Wait, I know this meme. Oh! I know that meme. It was like, I like singing. I like dancing. Oh, it's, I like dancing. I like trains. Meow. That's funny. I love that meme. What the? I love that meme. Oh, don't move in 3, 2, 1. I didn't move. I freaking like stand still like for 5 seconds. You saw that, guys, right? I like that meme. It's called like, I like singing. Oh. Okay, that's okay. Like I know that meme called like I like singing, I like dancing, I like trains, and I know this thing. I have to just keep moving because the blocks behind me, the floor is gonna start falling. No! I fell. No, I fell. Oh, okay, oh my god, I'm falling through the world. Oh, now I gotta watch all the other survivors. Don't die. Was he the only player? No, there's that other person over there. 2 people are surviving. Oh god, they both fell. That's amazing. They both died! That's funny. Because they fell at the same time. You saw that, right? Oh, Noah. I've seen this before. Oh god, hurry. No, I'm gonna die. No! Dang it. I didn't make it in time. I died. That's not fair. How did people get up there so quickly? I'm not that fast. Plus this thing's glitching. Oh, take a picture. Take a picture. No, you take the spotlight. Stop taking the spotlight. People are so mean these days. People are so mean these days. They just want to get right in front of the camera. People are mean these days. Look, I'm in the back. A stupid thing I keep... Stop showing... No! And I died. Oh, by the way, the people that are watching this, some of you guys are from my school. I know some of you are probably watching this and they'll go like, Catherine, how are you? Well, I'm doing good. Some people in my school are probably watching this. By the way, I haven't told my class yet, but I got a new cat a couple days ago. His name is Whitey, and he's a boy. I did not expect to get a boy. Next video, I'll probably do a kitty video, because I've been planning to do, like, Roblox videos, Minecraft videos, real life videos. I don't know. Maybe even other videos that you guys would like me to play. If any of you guys play Roblox, tell me your Roblox names so I can find it. Oh, my favorite. I love this. I love this. I love this. Ah! Oh, God, I fell. Wow! No, don't push me, you mother flipper. Never take this. Oh God, the table is going crazy. No, no. Wow! I'm still in the position. Why is my arms? Dude, okay. Oh! I'm pressing the button as fast as my little fingers, I'm pressing the button. I'm pressing the button. People get out of the way. How many times somebody, what? Oh, that's a 111 times somebody spamming the button. Oh no, I know this one. I'm just gonna run and jump because you could get shot. No! No, I died. Because the stupid thing keeps glitching. I died. There, I died. Oh, that's not fair. I only had 10 seconds left. I freaking died. That scared me. I wish Desiree was here, but she didn't answer the phone. I tried to call her after school, but she never answered the phone. What? Where? Oh my God! Ah! That scared the life out of me. That's funny. Stand on the button. You survive. Stand on the button. Stand on the button. Just stand next to it. I got my teddy bear. I love plushies in real life. I love stuffies in real life. I'm a person that likes pink, rainbows, unicorns, and stuffies. Don't judge me because I had a friend that laughed at me because of that. Oh no, what? Where? Oh, is this? Hi, you can't get me. Oh! That's scary, no. Who is this person on top of the button? That looks creepy. Move, get off the button. I'm not playing soccer. Nope, I'm not a sports person, not really. Even though I know how to play sports, I'm not playing sports. Just gonna jump off the cliff. Can I jump off the cliff, please? No, why can't I jump? Okay, never mind. Give me this. This speeds me up. Oh my God, look at these people just get on the ball and then they glitch. Get in the thing. Get in the thing. Get in the thing. Congratulations. Where's the person? This person with the jacket right here. This person. What? No, I hate this. No, I hate this mother flipper. No, no, I'm not dying today. Never. Nope. 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 No! I hate this. We literally. I hate this freaking iPad. This iPad's getting annoying. Well, I'm getting ready to press the button. I'm clicking the screen. There. No! No! I said 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 no! I didn't even touch it! Did you see that? Bruh! I didn't even touch it! Well, guys, I'm going to end it here, so talk to you later and see you later. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a nice night, because technically it's night for me. So, bye.